Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Shamel Daniel and I'm with my groupmate here, Wan Muhammad Iman. And today we're going to be presenting regarding our computer networking project, which we did earlier today. So I will be passing this next slide on to my friend.
Right. So my name is Iman. So for the setup, first of all, we need to write the code into Tony for us to compile, and then we have to download the Python software, and then we need to set up our Wireshark and use the Wireshark adapter for loopback interface. And then we need to run command prompt as administrator. And before that, we need to make a folder named Python script so that we have access directory from there in our command prompt. And then we need to run our Python files, and then we need to run our UDP codes, and then we need to do some error checking if there's any, and then we need to run our TCP codes, and last but not least, we need to make sure everything is well with no error. Okay. And then for the analysis, the project's main goal is to construct a client-server application that use UDP and TCP by concentrating on packets coming from UDP and TCP connections. After multiple experiments, it was discovered that using TCP is much easier because the connection is very direct as opposed to using UDP, which use a different connection than TCP and requires a longer connection to read the packet using Wireshark. Because Wireshark was unable to read UDP due to its inability to parse it. It was replaced with the highest protocol logical link control, LLC. Yep. And then this is the coding for UDP server and client from Tony. And then this is the this is what we captured from Wireshark from the codes we entered before. And then this is how you enter the UDP code in the CMD. You need to type cd as the command, and then paste the Python script path. Then you can run the UDP server and client as usual. And then this is the Wireshark. This is the packet we captured in Wireshark from the CMD. All right. Next, I'm passing to my groupmate.
Alright, so for TCP, as you said earlier, TCP is much easier than UDP. So we didn't need to do much in order to receive the packets. So here's the screenshot encoding from Tony for TCP, and here's the official codes that we use. Here's the server, and this one's the client. And this one is the TCP capture from Wireshark. Right, and this is how we coded it to CMD. So as Iman said, we just use CD. This was through a lot of experiments, by the way. We did multiple tests with different codes in CMD and Tony. And here's the package we received. Okay, so here's our conclusion. To conclude our project, both UDP and TCP have distinct connection times, and based on Wireshark, they are likely to be interpreted faster and better. Layering plays a role in communication between two hosts, acting as a backbone. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It is a connection-oriented protocol that is also regarded as a trustworthy protocol. Before data is sent, a dedicated channel is established between two hosts. After that, the sender sends evenly partitioned chunks across the dedicated channel, and the recipient acknowledges each piece received. For assurance, the sender usually waits a particular period of time before transmitting the same piece again. TCP, for example, is in charge of ensuring that every bit is secure transferred when you download something. While UDP is a connectionless protocol, it is often regarded as an insecure form of communication. It's simple though, because no dedicated channel is established and the sender is only concerned with sending data chunks to the destination, regardless of whether they are received. The fundamental goal of this technique of communication is to transmit bits of sender to destination. It does not affect communication quality. When playing a land-based game, for example, a few bytes lost will not affect your gaming experience, and hence the user experience will not be harmed. So that's all from us for today. I hope you gain some knowledge by watching this video. Thank you and
Thank you.